Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. In this video, we'll be continuing our discussion on the India's initiative to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. For the National Action Plan on Climate Change, we have already completed 4 missions under that, and we'll discuss today the other 4 missions. The first one for today is the National Mission for Sustaining Himalayan Ecosystem. This is being implemented by the Ministry of Science and Technology, and the objectives of this mission are to assess the vulnerability of the Himalayan ecosystem in the short term and long term due to variation in climate and weather, and also formulate policies to protect the fragile ecosystem. This mission is implemented in about 12 states. That is all the states bordering the Himalayas and also the northeastern region. The next mission is the National Mission for Green Habitat. This is being implemented by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. And through this mission, it seeks to increase the forest cover, which in turn serves as a carbon sink for removing the greenhouse gas emission. Through this mission, it seeks to increase the forest cover in about 5 million hectares and also improve the quality of the existing forest cover in another 5 million hectares. The third mission is the National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture. That is, through this mission, it seeks to identify and develop new varieties of crops, especially the thermal resistant crops and also alternative cropping pattern, which are capable of withstanding extreme weather, floods, etc. And the other objective is the convergence and integration of traditional knowledge and practice system, inclusion of the information technology, biotechnology, etc. Some of the 4 main important programs of the National Mission on Sustainable Agriculture are the rain-fed area development, on-farm water management, soil health management, and the climate change and sustainable agriculture. These are the 4 programs that are being implemented through this National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture. And the last mission is the National Mission on Strategic Knowledge for Climate Change. Through this, the main objective is to better understand the climate science impacts and challenges, and it also envisions a new climate change research fund, improved climate modeling, and increased international collaboration. Now let us solve this question. Consider the following statements regarding NAPCC. National Mission for Green Habitat is implemented by the Ministry of Science and Technology. National Mission for Sustaining Himalayan Ecosystem is implemented by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. The correct answer is D. These 2 statements are interchanged, that is, Mission for Green Habitat is being implemented by Ministry of Environment, while the Mission for Sustaining Himalayan Ecosystem is being implemented by the Ministry of Science and Technology. Thank you.